The purpose of the Japanese tea ceremony is to create bonding between the host and the guest, and also gain inner peace. The tea ceremony is very important in Japanese culture because it used to be practiced only by the elite Zen monks and noble warlords for most of history.
NANI?!
Alright, so this completely slipped my mind, but one of my closest friends is actually here in Japan as well. So the last time we were together, we were actually hitchhiking from BC to Alaska. And after that, I don't know what the fuck he was doing, but he made it all the way to Japan somehow. Jeez, what going on, brother? Kanpai! How are you liking the Asian continent so far?
I like it a lot.
Yeah?
I can't say much about it because I've been only to Japan so far. Japan is great.
Wait, how are your chopstick skills so far?
It's better.
Yeah?
It's better than in Canada, yeah.
Yo, David, what are you doing? Get one, bro.
I'm working on it.
Jeez. Soybean party, eh?
Now, this, look how many beans I have.
Jeez. What are you gonna make with them?
Natto.
Oh,
We're gonna ferment them.
some natto, eh? Shit. Yo, how many gates have you counted so far?
I didn't count, so I don't know.
718, 719, 720. was nice seeing you,
Nice seeing you as
Mr. Hotshot Dave. Hopefully we meet up somewhere again.
well. Absolutely.
Yeah, somewhere in Asia.
Mauritania.
Mm-hmm.
Hopping the freight train.
Yep,
With coal.
at some point. Finally, you know, no restrictions this
It
time.
will work.
Yep. So the gates were really cool. Now let's go get some takoyakis. Oh, it's a takoyaki party.
Hi, thank you.
If you ask me which food I would like to eat for the rest of my life, it would be ramen and takoyaki, no question. Pardon?
358 platform Tokyo
次の停車駅は名古屋です。どうでもいいようなことをうだうだうだ言ってるあいつの人生クソだらけ才能ないなら無理やさっさとそんなの諦めお前と一緒にすんなやボケ大きなお家はいらない車も時計もいらない欲しいこれだけエリア組んでヒステリティック東京混沌とする今日も優しく突き放してくれ余計な関わりを持ちたくない僕を包み込んでくれるかなパンパンパラピラパポププププププパンパンパラピラパポ完璧だ完璧だって俺らの必殺技ならとっくの昔に出したわ捕まえてね
Itadakimasu!
あいつは高校行ったら軽蔑した目でしかとする説教マウント有料ゴミカス上司と先輩仕事をしつけてくんじゃねえボケ気づいたらもう傷だらけ合わない靴のせい幸せにならない
So this is actually the second time I'm visiting Japan. It's one of those countries that I don't mind visiting for a third time, a fourth time, over and over again. Amazing food, rich history. There's a lot of things to do in Japan. Alright, for the last itadakimasu of this trip. Airport ramen.
Traveling on American Airlines Flight 168 to New York. Your flight will be departing shortly. Please come to gate 1.
Alright, to conclude this entry, I would say my Japan side quest was success.
Mission complete.